Hi guys, and welcome to So Crypto, your home for crypto TA. I'm your host Martin, and in this episode we are going to be looking at Bitcoin and Ethereum and see how they kept on progressing. So again, short video. I'm just getting back into town. It is really late, so I just want to do a quick update, and then I'll see you tomorrow for a stream, right? So again, if you enjoy the content that we produce here, make sure you hit the like, the bell, and the sub. Make sure you also join us on that Discord, right? Again, thank you all for being here. Let's jump on to market cap and see what the market is doing. So, market cap, what are we doing? Yesterday I was saying reaction rally, right? Trying to have this hidden bullish divergence, hold us outside of this blue line. We are holding, we gone up to 2 trillion, but we're rejecting still for market today, the 7th. And then for tomorrow, we're opening and going on the green, but still rejecting 2 trillion. Again, an area that we did not want to break below. It's going to take us a little bit of strength to break back above. Hopefully, we can get it today, but we're still below the 20 moving average as well. So even if we get above the $2 trillion mark, we still have to get above the 20 moving average, right? It's hidden divergence. What we need to do for this hidden divergence is get higher than the previous high that we had here on the price. That is at $2.12 trillion. Getting above that high, looking at something interesting. Maybe by the time we're going to be creating a little bit of positive momentum. But as soon as we come higher than this previous high here at 2.12 trillion, we're immediately going to start developing some bearish divergence. And that is definitely going to start putting pressure on the price. So again, it depends on how we go up. If we shoot up with a lot of strength, again, it is a strong move, coming with some nice technicals behind it, then yes, the movement could be strong and it could get rid of that divergence. But otherwise, it's going to be there initially. And again, it could stagnate the price, maybe even make it drop farther. So we're going to see how we recover. Again, for that to happen, we need to recover 2 trillion, then get above this area here at 2.05, and then get above 2.12. Otherwise, rejecting 2 trillion, we're looking for a movement down. We're going to have support at 1.92. And even that blue line again, hopefully that is not the case. We'll look for some recovery, particularly since we have the weekend coming. So that's it for the market cap here. Let's go check out Bitcoin. Bitcoin on the daily, same thing, right? Broke the line, went short-term bearish, hit that support at the outer portion of the triangle. Now we have this hidden divergence we're holding. We try to move up, failing to move much higher, but right now also getting continuation. Again, a movement up. We're looking for a move to that 20 moving average at $44,770. That is it. We're not creating anything else. That is what we have here on this other chart for Bitcoin. I'm just waiting for it to load. Here we go, right? You can see that we are stuck. We hit that 43,923 and we rejected it. Now we're trying to get another go at it, but we're in this channel right now, 43,923 to 42,996. So that is the area that we're targeting right now, that we're trading in. And I think it's an interesting area. We do need to get above 43,000 and ultimately try to recover the 20 moving average and 45,467. Hopefully we can do it, right? Again, I hate to run on hopefuls, but the only thing that we have is hidden divergence. And again, for that hidden divergence, for us to get rid of it, we need to get higher than the highest closing we had here. And that was, 47,459. And we don't have to we have to get higher than that for this to, do its thing, make us go higher in price, and then target some bearish divergence that's going to start to develop by the time, again, just like with market cap, coming higher to a price, and we're immediately going to be going from positive momentum to negative momentum to less positive momentum, and also could have something similar on the RSI, and that's going to start building that bearish divergence pressure. Now, is this hidden divergence going to play out with a lot of strength? I hope so. I mean, we established that we are in a sort of uptrend, right? If we go to this chart real quick, we are on this uptrend here. Now, if we continue on this uptrend, I think things could be interesting. I mean, we could be bouncing of this mid part of the upsloping channel that we're in, go for that 20 and even go to a higher area of value. But for now, again, we're trying to gain footing. We had a big move down, again, 5%. And right now, again, we're trying to recover, but not with a lot of strength yet. And part of that is because we have hidden bullish divergences, not strong bullish, hidden bullish. So we're stagnating, trying to move sideways, targeting that 20 moving average. 4-hour chart, nothing going on, right? We're starting to stagnate because of the divergence that we have on the daily chart. And here again, we're not doing anything since yesterday. So let's go to the 1 hour. And on the 1 hour chart, we had bullish divergence, right? That we talked about yesterday, starting to get the price to go up. hit this resistance, right? And we're breaking it, but we're not breaking it with strength. We're just breaking it by moving sideways. And usually when we break these lines, these resistance lines, what we tend to see is a short-term bullish move. And we're not seeing that. And we're starting to develop this hidden divergence here, right? Hidden bearish divergence. That's starting to put pressure on the price. And I think this is part of the reason that we're failing to go much higher. We're sitting neutral at 47.32. Let's go check out Ethereum. Ethereum on the daily. Here we go. On the daily, hidden bullish divergence at support, 3,158, getting a bounce, getting to a 20 moving average. Again, not a lot happening. Neutral on the other side, 54.42. So not a lot since yesterday. Following Bitcoin still. On the 4-hour chart, we're not developing anything still. Lower, more negative momentum, lower still. Again, just like Bitcoin, nothing on the 4-hour. So let's go to that 1-hour chart. And on the 1-hour chart, we had the bullish divergence again, breaking that line. Short-term bullish, came back tested it, trying to bounce, and starting to create here strong bearish divergence. And that strong bearish divergence, again, put pressure on the price, trying to make it move down, targeting the 20 moving average. And that is going to be right here at 3,231. Now, could we pop a little bit more and try to go for 3,324? We could. And the thing is, it's going to depend on how we go up, how the MACD is going to behave. And we could still create more bearish divergence, right? We could, if we slowly get up here, right? We're going to keep on losing here and then get another point here. And what's going to happen is we keep on tracking that bearish divergence and get that potential for a movement down, right? So that's going to be it for right now. Again, those are some of the ideas of what could be happening. Again, there is bearish divergence. Movement down is what we're looking for. Reversal. Starting to get this red candle. Again, targeting 20 moving average. Breaking that 20, we should be targeting 3,158. If that doesn't hold, again, we're going to look for something farther down. That's going to be here at 2,891. Guys, that is going to be it for tonight. Again, short stream. Promise a short stream. I delivered a short stream. I got to go get some sleep. But again, if you enjoy the content, make sure you hit the like, you hit the bell, and you hit the sub, right? Join us on the Discord. Join me on Twitter at @TheStateOfCrypt1. I come live every night. I couldn't come live tonight. I was traveling. But I'll be here tomorrow for another edition of So Crypto. Remember, all the information that we provide here is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Please don't trade based on what you see here. We are just discussing ideas. This is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. And on that note, I'll catch you guys again tomorrow for another edition of So Crypto. Until then.